Now I will show you how to mount this Godox to Bowens mount converter into this light system. Here the Godox mount is presently attached with the light system. This comes with this way in the package. You have to assemble this Bowens mount into this light system. So let us go ahead and see how do you mount a Bowens mount into this Godox light system. The first step is you have to unmount this Godox deflector by unlocking this lever and turning this cap anti-clockwise direction. So the first step is you have to release this lever. You have to move this lever in the backward direction. Now you have to turn this Godox deflector in anti-clockwise direction. Once you turn this into anti-clockwise direction, this will loose and come out. The next point is you have to take this bulb out for protection. Now you have the Godox light system without any mount. So this is the mount and this will go in this way. See you will have this locking lever here also above this Bowens mount. So the system is that you have to place this over. So the process is you have to match both the levers and place the Bowens mount over the light system. This is the setting. Now there is a catch. You are supplied with screw and lever, but you have to unmount these screws. The screws at the top of this light system. You have to unmount this screw, and with the help of this screw only you have to fix the Bowens mount. So first of all, let me do the unmounting of this screw. A small lever is supplied with this screw. See, this is the lever which is being supplied. This is the lever which is being supplied with this screw. This helps in unmounting the screw of this system. Now once the unmounting of these screws are done, the unmounting of the top two screws of the lights are done, now you have to place this Bowens mount in line with the lever, and then you have to put these screws back into the mount. So with the help of these levers only you have to mount this screw. You have to mount two screws at the top of the light system, which we have unmounted, and then you have to put two screws at the below. So these screws are extra screws are available with the plastic. This will be supplied with the light only. So you need total 4 screws, 2 at the bottom and 2 at the top portion of the light system, which we have earlier unscrewed from the light itself. So now once the Bowens mount is in place, you can attach any Bowens mount softbox with this light system. I will show you one very important thing about this Godox Edif 400 Pro light, that is how to carry this light safely while in travel for outside shoot. You can see I have already applied the Bowens mount and this tube is exposed. This is the main bulb and this is exposed, and with the attachment that I have received, that is the Godox and the reflector attachment, I cannot attach this cap. Earlier without this Bowens mount I could have used this as the protector and the cap, but after inserting the Bowens mount, after applying the Bowens mount in the light system, I cannot do this. So what I have to do is take the cap out. Now hold the edge of this reflector and press against each side. I will show you again. If you press against each side, then the base will come out. See, this will get detached from the mount, or this is the reflector, sorry, the base will come out from the reflector. Now this reflector I can use as the cap for protecting the bulb. Now I have the mount here, and at the base it is the Godox mount. So now I will place this and turn in clockwise direction, and you will find a click. This will assure you that this reflector has been attached properly with this light. Now you can see this reflector is working as the cap, and this is completely protecting your light system. Now you put the extra cap. So now you can see very easily you can use the reflector attached with that came with the box. You can use this as the cap, as a protective cap for this Godox AD400 Pro. So friends, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel so that we can produce more good videos for you in future. Thank you. Have a nice day.